Hello. Today we'll do a short presentation of a compact high-speed USB-C charging cable from Temu. It claims to be able to charge with 240 watts, which I seriously doubt it can, but we'll see. So this is the packaging, simple. And this is the actual cable. It features a ring you can use to attach it to whatever you want. A cap. And the cable itself, it's, I think, 10-12 centimeters long. The ends are metallic. And it claims to be able to deliver, I'm not sure if you can read this, 240 watts, 8K video footage, I guess. So let's see if it works. I have a Xiaomi 65 watts power bank here. I use this to charge my MacBook Air on the go. So this can deliver, using the included cable, 120 watts. I have here my MacBook Air. It's charging. Not sure you can read this. It says it's charging with 48 milliamp hours per minute. Okay. So I guess that's the equivalent of the maximum my MacBook Air can absorb. It's 30 watts. So let's see, using this Temu cable, first of all, if it charges the MacBook Air, and with what speed. Well, it says it charges. I'm not sure if you can read this. It says 46 milliamp hours per minute. Not an amazing display brightness here, but it's as close as the included 120 watts cable from the power bank. So I would say it pulls the at least the maximum amount the MacBook can pull, 30 watts. So pretty nice, compact. I think it was like €2. So, no-brainer. Highly recommend this. For this price, you can't go wrong.